Yo, what's up? It's Dave Gambrill from Digital Marketing. Mentorship with Dave Gambrill, as well as the Unleash the Awesome podcast. And today I'm going to show you a simple 3-step method for creating amazing images in OpenAI using Dall-E3, and then editing those images without any editing skills, any technical ability, anything like that. Literally 3 steps, all right? First, you got to have ChatGPT or access to Dall-E. You could do it through Bing Image Creator, I think, although I don't know if you can do some of these other steps. I have ChatGPT Plus. You're going to want to have that too to be able to do that. As far as I know right now, that runs you about $20 a month, but it's so worth it because it can do so many other things besides what I'm about to show you, okay? What you'll do is you go to ChatGPT 4, click Dall-E, put in your prompt, okay? So I'm going to say realistic image of a child in a red hoodie facing the camera. Okay. We'll see what we get from that. You'll see it takes a little bit. I'll go ahead and pause it here till it creates it for us. Okay, so I had that paused for maybe 20 seconds while it created those images. So you say you have these 2 images here. Then what you want to do is you want to ask it what the seed is, okay? So it's a number that they use in OpenAI or ChatGPT or Dall-E. What is the seed of image number 1? Should give you a number, okay? So that's just a reference. Okay, you see that number right there, 295, blah, 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 blah. And then I copy this up here so I can do this. You're going to want to put this request in there, okay? Modify image 1, because that's the one we use with the seed. Let me put the proper seed number in there. You're going to put it inside these brackets like this, I think. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's just do this. I think the bracket was just for example. Okay. So modify image 1 with the seed. So referring to it as image 1, but also the seed. Add a parrot to on, let's see, his shoulder. Now what you're going to see here is it's not going to be the same exact image that you see up here in the top, okay? But it'll be pretty close to this image, and you'll see what it's going to do. And this does not take any editing ability on your part, does not require Photoshop or anything like that. If you use Microsoft's Bing Image Creator, then if you try to edit things from there, it opens up some Microsoft photo editing thing and some other tool that they probably want you to use. But in this case, if you stay right inside ChatGPT, look at that. So this was the image that we had before, okay, just for reference. And then this is the image that we have now. Whoops. I almost closed out our recording. Let's see if I can close this. I don't know why it's not. There we go. So there's the first image. You'll see in this case, they put the hoodie up, but now we have a parrot on the shoulder, okay? Pretty remarkable. And again, that only takes 3 steps. Again, the 3 steps that you have are, number 1, make a request or a prompt for your image that you want, okay? In this case, it was just realistic image of a child in a red hoodie facing the camera. Step number 2, what is the seed of the image, whatever image you want to do. In this case, it was number 1. And then step number 3, modify image 1 with seed, whatever that seed number is, and then whatever you put a colon, and then whatever modification you want to make to it, and then you'll get this other image. Okay, hope that serves you. If you're not part of my digital marketing mentorship group over on Facebook, you might want to come check us out over there. I also have a YouTube channel. Wherever you happen to be watching this, I'll make sure that's available for you as well, because I share stuff like this on there on a regular basis. All right, see ya.